For the past 6 months, I've not shot any video with my camera. This is the first time that I'm shooting a video with my camera for almost like even 9 months, not even 6 months. What am I trying to bring out? I've been shooting my videos with this phone, Samsung S8. This is not the best. This is not the one that has the best camera among all Samsungs, but this is what I have. This is what I love. If you give me a better phone, I'll take it. But I like this and it's okay. So what am I trying to bring out? I'm trying to let you know that you do not need to go hire a videographer to shoot your advertisements or marketing videos. You only need something essential, which is the copy. How do you pass your message to people? You need the channel like probably Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. Then you need the tools, which are your phone, and also the most important thing, which is the copy, which is the message itself. How do you craft this? That's all you need me for. Just tell me what the message is all about. Tell me what you want to achieve. Then I crafted the message for you. Then I will tell you how to distribute it. Period. You don't need to hire a videographer to get this done. And if you do this with me, I'm telling you, if you want to hire me, that's fine. It's okay. You're still gonna make it, because I'm gonna direct how you do, like, how to give the shape. The angle to see it, how to demonstrate and stuff like that. But that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is the copy, because you can even write a copy and make sales from that even without shooting a video. So that's why it's the most important thing. So if you need someone to help you out with this, you just have to put a comment here and tell me tell me the kind of business you do. Then I'll write a copy for you how to do it. And I can even tell you to pitch me. I told someone to pitch me already. I've not read the pitch. I will check it and I will let that person know, okay, this is what you need to add, this is what you need to take away from it. But apart from that, you don't need to go hire a videographer, pay that person because you want to shoot the video for your marketing or whatever. If you can afford it, that's fine. But the most important thing is the message, is the content, the copy. So thank you. Don't forget to follow me and click that link below, and follow this channel, like this page. Then you can know when we release a new video that will benefit you and your business. Thank you.